Okay, so today we're just going to be looking at how to use FlipGrid. So you need to download the app, it's free. It's going to be really good to use. So when you open it up, you're going to be met with, you can either join, you can create your own, you can scan a FlipGrid QR code, or I've got a code. So I'm going to use the code 48C0008B. Now this is something that I'd set up before, so this will take you through to the page. Now this is something as a teacher you can set up, so you can see here, it tells you exactly what you want from your students. So it says welcome to the app, so it's asking you to create a video, one thing you like about the course, one thing you'd like to change about the course, one thing you like about the university, one thing you'd like to change about the university. So you can see
one thing I like about the course is the variation
some of the examples from last year.
One thing I like.
And if you're really scared, you can put stickers in front of your face.
Hello, I'm having module 2. So one thing I changed about the course is
Now again, these are not going to go viral. It's only myself and you on the course that can see this, so don't worry. So if you want to record, you're going to press join. So I'm going to join with Google. You need to set up an account. It does not take long. So I'm going to use my login. Hello. So I'm going to record. One thing I like about the course is the lecturers. They're lovely. One thing I'd improve about the course is more food, free food. Okay. One thing I like about the course is the lecturers. They're lovely. One thing I'd improve about the course is more food, free food. Okay. So there you go. There's my quick video. So you can as well. The course is the lecturers. They're lovely. You've got different options. One thing I'd improve about the course mirror. You can rotate. So that's very simply what you can do. You can then submit that. But also, just want to show you. It's actually gone on there. You can save it. We can return to the topic. You can also join. Sorry, not join again. Join with my login. So as long as you've got a Gmail, you can join. So there are effects. So if you didn't want to be seen because of your massive social media presence, oh look, I can be anonymous. But you can have effects all over this. So you've got different people. You could put listen speak for you. There's different accessories you can see here. So you've got all these different people. They could go in the background. What other effects have we got? We've got photos, we've got GIFs you can add in, all sorts. Text you could write on there. Hello. So be creative as you can. Okay, so let's see your videos. Don't be shy. It's only going to be us. This is the whole point of this, is to show student voice. So show me you've got a voice. Let's go.